Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to block notifications in Google Chrome step by step. If you're tired of those annoying pop-ups asking for permission to show notifications, this guide is for you. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your PC or laptop. Click the three vertical dots in the top right corner of the browser window, then click on Settings. In the left-hand sidebar, click on Privacy and Security. Then click on Site Settings. Scroll down until you see Permissions, then click on Notifications. Here you'll see options to control how sites ask to show notifications. To block all notification requests, toggle off the switch that says Sites can ask to send notifications. You can also scroll down and manually block specific websites if you want more control. That's it. From now on, Chrome won't bother you with notification requests, and you can enjoy a cleaner, distraction-free browsing experience. And that's how you block notifications in Google Chrome. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions. See you in the next guide.